Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to set Telegram distance units to automatic, so the app can display distances based on your region without you having to adjust anything manually. This is especially useful if you travel often or just want Telegram to match your local measurement system automatically. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, tap on the menu icon in the top corner. This is the three-line icon that opens up all the main options in Telegram. From the menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. This is where you can customize how the app works and looks. Once you're inside Settings, look for Chat Settings and tap on it. This section controls how your messages and chat interface behave. Now scroll down until you find the section called Other Settings. It's usually near the bottom, so keep scrolling until you see it. Inside Other Settings, tap on Distance Units. This is where Telegram lets you choose how distances are displayed, whether in kilometers, miles, or automatically. Finally, select Automatic. Once you tap this option, Telegram will instantly adjust distance units based on your device's region settings. And that's it. You've successfully set Telegram to handle distance units automatically, making your experience smoother and more personalized. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick Telegram tips to get the most out of the app.